Okay guys, it is another opportunity for us to be together again, and in this video we will be analyzing the market together and see how we can milk the market together. We will be checking out how we can make up to $200 using this setup in today's trading activities. Okay, so guys, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Take your time to study the strategies shared on my platform, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay, so quickly let's go back to what we have for today. So this is 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It is a special or custom made indicator which we have been using to do our analysis in most of our videos, and we will be using it again today. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. This is Boom 1000. I'm on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this actually started a downtrend right from the resistance zone. Okay, so as you can see that it was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend. That is why we had this red flag and of course the red arrow, and of course it started selling from there, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it's had a little pullback before going back to break out below that support zone. Okay, so it has been selling since then till it got to this particular region. Here is a major support zone. If it breaks out below 80 to keep on selling, if it does not, then it will go back on buy trend, even though we are yet to get the trend signal and the buy signal from here, but we are most likely to go back into a buy trend right from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, that is if it does not break out from this particular support zone. So if it goes fully into an uptrend, then definitely it should get to this region. We should look out for that. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, here is another TP region for you. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys should take advantage of all this section and milk the market successfully. You can see it's just spiked. That is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out right away. For Boom 500, you can see it had been on a very long downtrend right from here. You can see it's been selling and selling, but it has gotten to this support zone, which is a major support zone, and of course if it does not break out from there, it should start an uptrend, which it has started already. So if it's not pulling back to try out the support zone again, then definitely it will keep on buying till it gets to this region. Okay, so we should watch out for that, and of course if it breaks out from there, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so of course if it breaks out from there, guys, then it should get to this particular region, guys, this particular region. Okay, okay, good. Okay, so these are some highlighted spots which you should take note of whenever you're trading this asset. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset. Okay, the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Okay, this is Crash 1000. It came down on downtrend from here to get to this support zone. It was unable to break out from the support zone, so it went on buy trend till it got to this region, which is a resistance zone. So at the pullback and still selling at the moment. Okay, so if it breaks out from where it is, then definitely I expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from here, then it should get back to the support zone again. Okay, to somewhere here, somewhere here. Okay, so and of course if it's unable to break out from this particular support zone, then we expect it to buy again till it gets to at least this region. Okay, so and if it breaks out from here, we should be looking at this section for a buy. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you guys should take advantage of the market right from here. Let's check out the last asset, which is going to be Crash 500. This is Crash 500. It went on uptrend from this support zone, got to this region, came back down again, and of course right from here went and got to this resistance zone, and right from there it came down to this till it got to this particular support zone. Okay, if it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this major support zone. If it's unable to break out from here, then definitely we expect it to go back up and get to this region, and if it breaks out from that resistance zone, then it should get to this region. Okay, if it breaks out from there, then definitely it should get to this particular resistance zone again. Okay, so these are some of the highlighted areas which you should look out for whenever you are trading these assets today. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember that this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Thank you.